In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a bank balance discrepancy in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever faced the frustration of seeing mismatched balances between your bank and QuickBooks, you're not alone. Let's go through the process step by step to correct this issue and ensure your financials are aligned. First, you'll need to navigate over to QuickBooks. If it's your first time, you'll want to sign up for an account to get started. For those with an account already, just click on the sign in button to access your account. Once you're in, go ahead and enter your account details to log in. After entering your credentials, click on Continue to proceed. Then you'll be prompted to enter your password. Do so and click Continue once more. Now that you're successfully logged into QuickBooks, choose your company file to begin. Next, let's head to the home page. You'll want to click on Accounts, followed by Chart of Accounts. Here, you'll need to open your bank register and review any transactions that surprisingly haven't cleared yet. Cross-check these with your actual bank statement to identify any discrepancies. Keeping your eyes peeled for duplicate transactions is crucial. So, navigate to Banking, then Transactions, and select Bank Transactions. A common error is entering the same transaction twice, one manually and another through a bank feed. Double check to ensure duplicates are excluded if they've been entered inadvertently. It's also important to confirm that your bank feed updates are up to date. From the Banking tab, click Update to refresh your bank feed, making sure that the recent transactions are downloaded and accounted for. Reconciliation is another area worth reviewing. Go to Accounting and then Reconcile, then check whether your last reconciliation matches your bank statement. If something's off, you'll need to review the reconciliation report thoroughly to pinpoint any errors. Mistakes can happen with transaction categorization too. Click on Reconcile and look for transactions that may have been miscategorized or accidentally deleted. If you find any, make sure to recategorize or re-enter them correctly. Now let's focus on the disparity between your bank balance and QuickBooks balance. The bank balance shows what's reported by your bank, while the QuickBooks balance reflects what's been input in QuickBooks. Disparities usually arise from missing, duplicate, or unreconciled transactions. If, after reviewing everything, there are still differences, it might be necessary to make adjustments. Create a journal entry, but do so only if it's absolutely necessary and after consulting with your accountant to avoid any errors in your financial records. Following these steps should help you align your QuickBooks and bank balances, keeping your records precise and tidy. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more financial tips and tricks.